What will you do if you do not have the budget to buy a light setup? See, buying a light setup is different from buying a camera or a mic. You can just have a phone camera or buy a cheap microphone for the recording, and that's all you need. But buying a light setup is different because just buying one cheap ring light won't be enough. It may look like this. It's not looking good, right? But don't worry, there is a way. If you can't afford a light setup, then you can always use the available light, aka the sunlight. So, how to do it? See, just go to your window, open it, and shoot. That's all. That's all you need. But if you want to get better results, you must follow some basic principles. So, the first thing, which direction is your window situated? East, west, north, south? Because that's how you will determine the timing of your shoot. See, the light is not going to be the same throughout the day because of Earth's movement. So, if your window is facing the east, then the best time to shoot is between 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. because the sun is just rising and you will get the soft light on your face. But you have to adjust this with the timing of sunrise at your zone because India is a big country and not every part of the country has the same sunrise time. Like an Assam and a Maharashtra do not have the same time of sunrise. So you need to adjust that. But roughly 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. will be okay. Now, if your window is on the west side, then you want to shoot later in the afternoon, like between 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Here again, you have to adjust the sunset time of your zone. And if the window is on the north side or the south side, then you will get a fairly broader shooting window. Like if it's on the northern side, then you'll get around 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And if it's on the southern side, then 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. will be fine. So you get it, this timing matters. And it depends which side your window is situated. See, don't think of cinematic light or moody light yet. That takes a proper lighting setup and the proper placement of lights. What you need right now is to light up your face. That's all. That's what you're looking for. So never put the window at your back. Then you will become a silhouette. So always keep the window at your front. So now go to the window and if possible, take the sunlight on your face and shoot. So this is for indoor shooting. But what if you have to shoot outdoors? So while shooting outdoors, avoid shooting between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in summers. Because in India, the sunlight is harsh and between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., the sun is usually on top of your head. And shooting on the top sun will give you shadow pockets under your eyes, nose, and chin. So you might want to avoid that. And secondly, due to the harsh sunlight, everything around you will be white. It will be burned out. So try to avoid shooting in the top sun. But if you have to shoot, then it's better to go under any shade. Best is if you go under a tree because then you might have an interesting lighting because the light will pour down from the gaps of the leaves of the tree and it will give your face a mixture of light and shadow. Otherwise, any kind of shade will do. Now, when you're under the shade and if you feel your face is dark, then there's a hack. Use a thermocol. This you have to understand a bit. Take a thermocol sheet, make somebody hold it and aim it to your face. This you have to understand by watching. The sunlight will come, bounce on the sheet and it will lit up your face. So you have to adjust the thermocol a bit. See the sun, see where the light is going and adjust accordingly. This you will need a bit of practice. But 2 or 3 days practice will do. You will understand it's not a rocket science. And remember, when you are shooting outdoors on the top sun, chances are your background will be blurred. So try to use nature in your background, trees, bushes, any greeny stuff, or sit in front of a water body. But still, it will be hard to manage. So I would suggest avoid shooting in the top sun. Before 10 a.m. and after 3 p.m. is okay. And if you think you cannot accommodate your shoot during that time period. So break your shooting schedule into 2 or 3 days. That will be better than shooting under the top sun. And this I'm telling if you're shooting in summer. The winter sun in India is okay, and in winters you can shoot almost throughout the day. I don't think it would be a problem. So that's it, guys. If you follow these basic guidelines, and you won't need artificial lights. Now, let me know in the comments what other problems you face during your shoot, and I'll try to make a video about that. And if you like my content, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, Storyville. Goodbye.